In 2C, we're going to again use the ratio test. So we have root n over 2n plus 1, and we're going to see if that converges. So I'm going to set my ratio test. So root of n plus 1 over 2 times n plus 1 plus 1. That can simplify. We're just going to leave it like that for now. Over root n over 2n plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to group a few things here again. So I'm going to take my n terms, my root terms, and I'm going to group those together. Actually, let's do this first. Let's simplify that fraction. So limit as n approaches infinity. We just want a top and a bottom. So root n plus 1 over root n. And then I end up with the 2n plus 1 ends up in the numerator. The 2n plus time, I'm going to expand those brackets and combine like terms. So I have 2n plus 3. So 2 times 1 plus 1 gives me the plus 3. Okay, so then once I have that, I'm just going to group these together. And I'm going to group these together. And do my limits for those separately. So limit as n approaches infinity of root n plus 1 over root n. Okay, I know that's going to be equal to 1. For this one here, 2n plus 1 over 2n plus 3. Okay, again, it looks like it's going to be two comparable functions, so that's going to be equal to 1. So when I evaluate my limit, I end up with 1 times 1, that's equal to 1. Now that equal to 1 represents an inconclusive result. So this is inconclusive.